here we have the kitchen with our cheapo 2x4 cabinets installed. I know the lighting's terrible. You can kind of get an idea of what we're going for with the shelves and the baskets. And it looks pretty good for a couple $100. Come this way. Look at all the mistakes that I made while I was making these. The biggest of which is, let me drop the tripod down. I'm doing this all one-handed, so bear with me. Is when I made it, I didn't measure the width quite right, and I just assumed everything would fit. So now I had to take this section out with the 2x4 to fit the sink in there. Yeah, so I guess to hide all my sink and plumbing, I'm probably gonna put a little curtain in front of here. There's another shelf, and there's gonna be another shelf down here. I just haven't bought the shelf yet. These pressed board shelves from Lowe's are like something cheap, 17, 20 bucks a piece. Used a composite sink from Southeastern Salvage and plumbed that up. And the sink was like 80 bucks with the cheapo faucet from Lowe's. I think the faucet was another $50 or $60. Now for the rubber wood, we just used, where is it? Mineral oil for butcher's block. And this is the finish that you get. You got this here, mineral oil, food grade mineral oil, enriched with vitamin E for cutting boards. And you wipe that on a couple of times, let it dry, and the oily residue goes away. You have a pretty nice finish. So that's about how all of this came out. Which, pretty good. And yep, cheap DIY cabinets. And with the upper cabinets, you can kind of see we just painted what was there and it worked out pretty good. Pretty happy with it.